Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic, how to be an author and how to start writing your own book. So, sir, my first question to you is why one should write a book?
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Todd Henry has written a book called Die Empty. So when we die, we do not carry any physical wealth with us, diamond, silver, gold, money. But God has given us very powerful brain and powerful mind. So wealth here goes with us when we die. So one should die empty. All the wealth here should be poured out. So that is one reason to become an author. Second is knowledge flows outwards. So when one acquires a knowledge is a tendency to flow out like a river. So one should write books. Third is one should write books because it is very good to see the name in black and white on a printed book or in a digital book on a digital that name is there. So this happens when we have a start with why I should write a book. And book writing or any work will happen two times. First in the mind, yes, I can write. Now I make a mission, I'll write one book every day. So, and second time it will happen in reality.
Phenomenal. Really, you have very rightly said it's great feeling to see your name written in black and white. Sir, I would like to know how to write a book.
See, writing a book is very easy. One should write a book on one's passionate subject, a subject on which one has acquired a specialized knowledge. That is one way of writing the book. I write a book where my knowledge is zero. So that another way of writing book is once you decide to write to a book on a particular subject, you gather knowledge from Google, one buys all published books in the market, one gathers all digital material on Google platform, then one start giving a small talk at a forum, one contacts experts, one try to have a look at the practical aspects of the subject. So book writing is, I think, is the simplest task. When I interact with members, some members say, sir, I have never written an article in my life. You are asking me to write a book. But you start, no, anything gets completed when we start that activity. So the initiation of the activity is the first aspect to complete any activity.
What is your experience in writing the book?
My experience is amazing. When I became graduate, I had a mission and affirmation that in a good bookshop, professional bookshop, all books should be my book. In all books, they should be named Rajkumar Adukia. So when I became chartered accountant in 1983, I started writing articles. At that time, cyclostyle notes, and for various seminars, various study circle meetings. So the first book which I published is in 1998, and that was on statutory bank branch audit. I published 500 copies, sent to all publishers that this is my book. And then, a lot of offers started coming from different publishers. And then I always take up a subject which is just taking a birth. The seed is there. To give an example, LLP seed was there in 2004. The law came in from 1st April 2009. So that time, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, they took out a concept paper on LLP. And I wrote a book on LLP. In 2004, I saw in which other countries there is an LLP in UK, other developed countries. And it's an amazing, so you are ahead of everyone in a new subject. You are ahead of everyone, and you write a book on a professional subject which is of a monopoly area. Very few professionals are doing that, or no professionals are doing that.
Right, right. Exactly. So how to choose the subject to write the books that
It's
you
very
have?
simple. Choose a subject where book is not available. So that is one way to choose a subject. Another is choose a subject where you have seen 200 books or 20 books, and you feel these books, I can write a better book than this. And books should always be written in such a manner that it can be useful to a junior KG student to up to a PhD student. So start writing in a very simple manner. Say, for example, I have written a book on carbon credit. Now, carbon credit, the technical term is certified emission rights, CER. But carbon credit is a market terminology. So you first explain what is carbon credit. So carbon credit is 1 unit of certified emission right, CO2. So what is carbon credit? Carbon credit is if you save in use of the power, the electricity. So instead of using the electricity generated by coal, by thermal, we use the electricity generated by renewable resources like water, air. Then we get, if we save emission of 1 CO2, we get 1 carbon credit. 1000 CO2, 130 certified emission rights. Or say 1-person company. So what is 1-person company? So I am writing currently a book on cyber world.
Okay.
So what is cyber? Cyber is zero. Cyber has no physical entity. It is in the space. And then you start with, the International Unilateral Law, the Information Technology Act 2000. Then current, we have a Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 pending in Parliament. Right. There is a report on non-personal data protection of a committee. So it's a very amazing experience, and I would like each listener from this moment, the moment you are listening, create a thought in your mind that I'll be writer of this book, and start writing immediately.
Yes, sir. So how can one who aspire to be a writer or author can start writing the book?
See, there are courses available on Udemy, Coursera. There are courses taken by certain experts who have written the books. So it's very easy. And how one writes a book, you create an outline, like whatever job we do, you create an outline, you create an index, how many chapters, each chapter, what will be the contents, what will be the title, find out who are your target readers, find out also how will you sell the book. So like, there is a ISBN number, internationalized standards book number. So it's very easy to apply for that number. So all these portals will take the book, or booksellers will take the book if there is an ISBN number. And initially you become a self-publisher. Nowadays it's very easy. You learn some tools to design and you create your own digital version of your book without any cost. So cost is your labor, your mind.
Right. And time.
Yes, time.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful talk.
Thank you. Greetings of CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Thank you.